Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing the right formula and testing for reactions. Select water or silicone-based jelly depending on condoms and toys. Once chosen, check the ingredient list for allergens and avoid glycerin if you're prone to yeast infections. Next, squeeze a pea-size amount and warm it on your wrist to assess texture and temperature. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for any irritation. If it feels comfortable, you're ready to apply a small amount to the intended area and begin the process. You now apply and calibrate coverage for comfort. Start with a thin layer on external areas to reduce immediate friction and spread gently. The jelly's slipperiness helps control pressure. If you need more glide, add small increments rather than a large dollop to avoid overslickness. Make sure to monitor sensations and reapply every 30 to 60 seconds as needed. For silicone-based jelly, be cautious with silicone toys because they can degrade. In those cases, use water-based options instead. You finish by removing excess and checking for issues. After activity, wash the area with warm water and a mild soap to prevent residue-related irritation. Pat dry. Close the tube tightly and store in a cool, dry place and note the expiry date. If you experience burning, itching, or unusual discharge, rinse immediately, stop using the product, and avoid sexual activity until symptoms resolve. If irritation persists, contact a clinician for evaluation. This single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.